Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A Sangma today addressed concerns regarding the status of the leader of the opposition following the loss of support by the current office holder. In response to queries about the Trinamool Congress potentially assuming the role, Sangma clarified that no formal request has been submitted, emphasizing that any decision will take time. He also pointed out the absence of a unified opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. This comes after 3 Congress MLAs merged with the National People's Party, NPP, reducing Congress representation in the Assembly to a single member.
So far, no submissions have come to me. But as you know, present leader of opposition is only one member in the House. So this office may have to issue a denotification order very soon, unless he submits his resignation first. That's the first thing. After that, as I told you earlier, so far no submissions have come from any of the parties from the opposition. So it gives me time to think and examine my future course of action. But I know that to have an opposition, you need to have at least 10% of the strength of the total House. As of now, none of the parties in the in the opposition bench has that requisite number. So it is not necessary for me to take a quick decision on it. I can still examine, take my time. Even the Parliament has, in the last terms, Parliament has also not had an opposition leader.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.